Hello guys and welcome to another episode of series where I ride around Bali Island on a motorbike. In previous video we saw wild dolphins in Lavina and right now I'm heading to Amed. It's my favorite part of Bali Island. Over there we're going to meet new friends and try new epic experiences. And after that I will ride along east coast of Bali to my next destination. It is Sanur. So enjoy guys. Hello to guys, Lisa is here as always. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Bali, Indonesia. It's 4:20 a.m. in the morning and this is how early you need to wake up in order to catch a big Indonesian fish. It is quite fascinating. We're going today to the open ocean for fishing. So let's go guys. Morning.
Morning.
So, what time we will come back?
Up to you.
Up to me?
Yeah.
Oh. How many hours?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Go?
Go 1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Oh, so far.
Maybe you're coming 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay. Okay, so this is the boat. Okay. Bye. Bye. I was like, how do you know where to go? Because we're just going straight, but now we reach some kind of a platform with a signal light. I think is their point for location. We just need to trust the boss because I think they are born there, so they know what they're doing. If I will feel fish, I need to pull, I guess. This is my knowledge of fishing so far. My guy caught something very big. I have no luck because maybe I just don't know when to pull. I just don't feel it yet. Oh wow! Crazy. Oh. Wow! Mashi, hello! That is, wow, this is big. I get this. Wow, this is big one. Look at this. It's like a meter, 1 meter almost. Okay, so piece of fish. Wow, that's the biggest one. Woohoo! How many kilos? 4? Wow, that's the one big. It's so bright.
ครับ
This we will grill
Yeah,
dinner.
yeah. Maybe the dinner, lunch, and the breakfast.
3 times. That was super early morning today, and I came back very tired after that fishing because it's a real deal, guys. You need to be physically strong to pull 5 kilogram fish from the ocean. So I get a little nap in my place, but it's time to check out from this lovely place. I stayed here for 3 days. It was the best conditioner room that I had so far. This is my place where I stayed. Yeah, pretty cozy and bright room. And my bags are ready. Oh, traveling with backpack. And now this is my bag with clothes and some snacks. So we need to go now. What is the plan for Ahmed, guys? So right now I need to check out from my hotel and go to another one because I extended my stay here for 1 day. It's been 3 days of me staying here and it will be 4 days. It's the longest stay I had from all of the towns I visited in Bali in this trip because Ahmed is just my favorite place. I would stay for much longer. So today I will have a full day and tomorrow we need to go to the next location. And for today, what we can do is we can go snorkeling to one of the beaches, and 5 p.m. The fisherman and his wife, they will cook a dinner with fish that we caught in the ocean. So I'm so excited to try that. Arrived to my new stay. It's much more simple, but still has a view from this window on the cornfields and beautiful mountains. What I like about Ahmed is that it still has this village lifestyle and just local lifestyle and kids playing around, and very chill atmosphere and farming. But I think in a few years they're going to build a big town here, so it will be not like this anymore. Now let's go to a location that's called Japanese Shipwreck. It's a very good location for snorkeling here in Ahmed, and let's go there and see what else we can find there. Is it a movie camera?
For underwater picture.
Photo or video?
Photo.
Photo?
Video.
Wow.
But
So interesting.
huh?
So interesting.
Yeah, this is nice. Expensive one.
Expensive.
Yes.
So you do photography diving?
Of course, for smoking.
Yeah. Okay, good luck. Bye. Just look how peaceful it is here, driving a hill road along the coast. Just beautiful ocean hills and beautiful flowers here. It's very quiet here on the beach. I asked a local guy and he told me that the snorkeling is just here. A couple of people swimming. From the shore you cannot see anything, but let's hope that underwater is beautiful. So I will take a small swim right now. Let's ask them for rental of mask and how do you call them? The shoes, the swimming shoes. Cute. Oh, have a red face. Thank you. Well, that was absolutely amazing because I know that from here it feels like nothing is going on, but actually underwater is so beautiful. And they call this place Japanese wreck because there is literally a piece of the ship, probably the Japanese ship, that underwater and with beautiful corals around and fishes. Also, there was a turtle. We found a turtle and she was there for like half an hour and I think she's still there. Very chill out turtle. She ate the corals. I didn't know that turtle eats corals actually. So she was swimming so slowly and staying there and not moving anywhere, and she doesn't afraid of people. She went up and down and just really great time, just chilling with turtle here in Ahmed. I regret one more time that I do not equip this time with underwater camera because I can film beautiful videos and pictures, but I cannot show you guys. So if I will go next time to such trip, definitely I need to have those because just want to film it and show it and just keep these nice memories. I knew that from my last time in Ahmed. This part of Bali has the most chill out dogs ever. I just like this place because people here are chill out and friendly. There are a lot of dogs that are also chill out and friendly. A lot of wildlife and everything what you need is just here. Now I'm back to the place where we started fishing today in the morning at 4:30 a.m. This is it. Oh, this is my guy. Let's ask him. Wow, we're going to burn coconuts. Is it good for fire?
Yeah.
Interesting. That's the recipe. Coconut oil.
Yeah, and sauce, Balinese sauce.
Balinese sauce with onion and chili.
Yeah.
This is
The name Balinese sauce sambal mata.
Sambal mata.
Sambal mata, yeah. The name. Oh.
Trying our real island food. Looks beautiful. Wow. This is it. Just from the ocean. That is so good. Why arak in a plastic bottle? It's from the shop?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, the cocktail. Arak and Coca-Cola. Oh, cheers.
Shit.
No?
Number 2. Number 1 straw.
Number 2 is good, yeah.
Так мало Кока-Колы налил. Просто вот так. Водка Бали.
Number 1, yeah. Hot in here.
Да зачем полную?
Good?
Not strong. Не больше. Да, нормально, тебе говорю.
Not bad. Good morning to you guys. So yesterday it was super duper crazy because we end up drinking arak, like it's local Indonesian alcohol, with a fisherman and couple of Russian people that I met, and they're from Moscow as well. So it was a great fun. So I stayed there for quite late after the sunset. We had a lovely conversation, and I just didn't want to leave this place. But today we need to go. Actually, the weather outside is very clear, so we need to go to the mountain. And I'm really surprised that I tried this Iraq and I don't have any sign of hangover. It was a good Iraq, probably. Oh, that Australian car that we meet another day. They put it here in the village road. View of the mountain looks very promising, so let's go there, guys. It's going to be a very, very beautiful road. One of my best favorite foods so far in Indonesia is fried bananas dessert. For me as Russian, it's very hard to imagine how banana can be fried, because we just used to have fried vegetables like fried potato. So it looks like this, and it should be really, really delicious, guys. Let's try it out. And it's probably the best tea with the best view here. Look at this, just around the mountains. That is the entrance of Lahangan Sweet. Now they charge a small fee to go inside. It's very high here. And this is the road that we need to drive for about 1 kilometer. And last time I remember I visited, it was free for entrance, but you have to drop your bike here and walk a long way up to the top of this hill. So now I think they made a road, and maybe they did some more photography places. That's why they charge small fee right now. This is the last bit of the road. The driving is wild here. I want to apologize for my orange friends struggling so much to drive here. Look at the view, guys. Just amazing. A little bit cloudy. Only 3 bikes here, and they told us here, please park your motorbike here because the road up there is very steep and very bad. This is absolutely magnificent view. You can see the ocean from there, and Ahmed is down there. This is beautiful Mount Agung. Now it's so pretty. The white gate shows exactly the top of the Agung, but now it's slightly cloudy. Yeah. Fascinating view, guys. Look at this. Wow. I'm wearing my pink hoodie because I don't want to get burned while I'm driving on the bike. I already feel really red in my arms and shoulders, so this is for protection, even though it's really hot outside. So it's time to say goodbye to amazing Amed Bali, and my journey of 80 kilometers from Amed to Sanur starts now. So let's go, guys. I am a mess. Even my face is gray. I feel like I need a large bintang after such a long drive. So I made it by 7 p.m. It was mental. This is my new stay. It looks European, but it was a last minute deal, so it's not expensive. I don't even have an energy to record the end of this epic vlog. So guys, in the next video I will give you a room tour of this amazing place because I'm already going to sleep, and the bed here is very comfy. This is what I needed after such a long day. And we're going to explore Sanur, part of Bali, and in the next video is going to be the last part of my epic journey around Bali on a motorbike. Sadly, but it is. So what you can do? You can subscribe to my channel down below to follow adventures of Lisa the Russian here abroad and in Russia, because I do live in Moscow and eventually I will go back to my home. And guys, if you like what I'm doing, please support me with a big like, share this video to your friends, and also you can become a Patreon sponsor and you can send me a tiny little donations here in YouTube. It's really helpful when you do that. So thank you so much guys for staying with me until the very end of this video, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye.